Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of smart rings, and we'll be comparing Motiv versus Circular in 2025 to see which one comes out on top. Let's get into it. First up, we have the Motiv Ring. This sleek and minimalist smart ring offers a ton of features packed into a very small, lightweight design. It's primarily known for its fitness tracking capabilities, including activity tracking, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and calorie counting. The Motiv Ring is water resistant and comes with long lasting battery life, lasting up to 5 days on a single charge. One of its standout features is its advanced security, offering two-factor authentication for additional peace of mind. If you're looking for a ring that blends seamlessly into your daily life without compromising on performance, the Motiv Ring is an excellent choice. On the other hand, we have the Circular Ring, which is designed to offer a more comprehensive health tracking experience. The Circular Ring is equipped with advanced sensors that track heart rate, body temperature, blood oxygen levels, and stress in real time. It also features sleep tracking, helping you monitor your sleep cycles and improving your overall health. The Circular Ring takes things a step further with smart notifications, allowing you to receive alerts directly on your ring so you don't need to pull out your phone. Plus, the battery life is solid, with up to 7 days of use, making it a perfect option for those looking for a long lasting smart wearable. So, what's the key difference? The Motiv Ring is designed for those who want a simple, fitness focused wearable that's discreet yet powerful. The Circular Ring, on the other hand, is perfect for those who want more health focused features and smart functionality, like notifications and detailed biometrics. Which one would you choose? The minimalist, fitness oriented Motiv Ring or the health tracking, notification ready Circular Ring? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.